There are a lot of great drones for kids on the market, but which one is the best? That's what we're here to find out in this review of the best drones for kids. We'll take a look at a few different factors to consider when choosing a drone for your child, and then we'll give you our top picks for the best drones for kids. In this video, we will cover the best 5 drones for kids. We select all products depending on quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Number 5. Ryzetech Tello Mini Drone Quadcopter. Ryzetech Tello Mini Drone Quadcopter is the perfect choice for those who want to learn how to fly a drone and take amazing photos and videos with it. With a high-quality image processor and 5 megapixels, 2592 by 1936, photos and videos at a maximum flight time of 13 minutes, Tello has everything you need to eliminer la deception. Plus, Tello has 2 antennas that make video transmission extra stable and a high-capacity battery that offers impressively long flight time. Even if you don't know how to fly, you can record pro-level videos with easy shots and share them on social media from your smartphone. Number 4. DJI Mini SE Camera Drone. The DJI Mini SE is the perfect camera drone for those who want the best quality and performance in terms of capture. Unsure of where to start? We've got you covered. With the lightweight and powerful DJI Mini SE camera drone that you can easily capture memories on the go. With a resolution of around 2K video and a battery life of up to 3 hours, this camera drone is perfect for creators on the go. The DJI Mini SE is the perfect choice for those who want the best of both worlds. A lightweight camera drone that can be easily carried anywhere and the ability to capture memories on the go. With a weight less than 0.55 pounds, 249 grams and an up to 30-minute flight time, the DJI Mini SE is perfect for creators on the move. Number 3. Holydon GPS Drone. Holydon GPS Drone is the perfect addition to your next party, and we at ecommerce.com guarantee that you won't be disappointed. With an excellent 2-axis gimbal with ICE camera, this drone is designed for adults to take pictures and videos while flying. The HS360 is a drone with a camera that offers a beautiful 4K Ultra HD image, 3840x2160p stored on a mobile phone, with stunning clarity and deep contrast. Its FOV 118 degrees lens and 80 degrees adjustable camera give you a clear and wider view. Additionally, the foldable arms and included portable carrying case make the HS360 drone with a camera to be considerate of people and fly without any problems. Number 2. Holydon HT02 Mini Drone. Holydon HT02 is a user-friendly mini drone that takes off and lands quickly, hang down at a height that allows you to release the throttle stick, and has a headless mode that makes it easy for pilots at any level to fly. With a short press of the 1-key takeoff button, the drone will take off and hover at a certain height, which allows you to release the throttle stick and the drone will keep hovering at its current height. This headless mode will help the pilots at any level fly and operate the drone easily. Holydon HT02 Mini Drone is perfect for those who want to have a little bit of fun with their flying. With a 1-key takeoff and landing, as well as a short press of the 1-key takeoff button, the drone will take off and hover at a certain height, which allows you to release the throttle stick and the drone will keep hovers at its current height. The headless mode will help the pilots at any level fly and operate the drone easily. Number 1. Patenzik Upgraded A20 Mini Drone. This Patenzik Upgraded A20 Mini Drone is perfect for kids who want to extend their fun time with them sometimes. With easy taking off and landing and automatic hovering, this micro drone is perfect for anyone who wants to fly their own drone. Come with our Patenzik Upgraded A20 Mini Drone, and your child can have the best time ever when flying their favorite micro drones. With easy-to-use controls and an automatic hover, this micro drone has it all. With easy takeoff and landing, this micro drone is perfect for kids or beginners who want to get into the air. Plus, headless mode provides an easy way to fly the drone without worrying about what direction it is facing. For knowing the latest price, please check the description box. We are giving these 5 product links in the description. If you have any questions about these 5 products, You can comment below. And please like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to this channel.